So I got a call about a roof leak. That looks like to be the issue here. Kind of gauge where we are by looking out the window. We're gonna go up on the roof and see what's going on. So I'm lining up where we were by looking out the window. Puts us around here. Now we take a look at what we have in the area. And lo and behold, there's a nail popping through. That is most likely where that leak is coming from. If you look here, they nailed right in between the shingles. Also a cause for concern. Seems like we have the issue. The best thing to do for something like this is get the tab lifted up, get some silicone underneath, let it ooze out through there. Definitely seal in between here because of that nail that's popping up. So when you're done, push it down, let it ooze through. Get a nice little seal there. And hopefully you're not going to have a leak for a long, long time.